Blackwater Lagoon as a part of People's Integrated Agritourism Center or PIAT Center, a visible landmark that is frequently visited by locals and even tourists. The place is a perfect spot for family bonding where it offers many recreational activities like biking, zipline biking, boating, and sometimes they allow people to enjoy fishing for free.
The cross in the sky in Piat Cagayan was ceremonially lit and blessed on May 7, 2021. The cross is a 16-meter high structure located at the People's Integrated Agritourism Center atop the Black Hill. It serves as a symbol of faith, hope, and love for the residents of Piat who are battling the COVID-19 pandemic.
Itawis Landmark is now a prominent landmark that offers a scenic view of the town. The hill was once just a place covered with trees and grasses, which people regarded as a mountain. Piat Hill is an iconic Itawis landmark that offers a scenic view of the town.
Welcome to the Basilica Minor of Our Lady of Piat. The Basilica of Our Lady of Piat features a unique entrance arch. It is located at the back of the church, and one has to go around from the entrance to see the church facade. On the arch is inscribed Basilica Minore Nuestra Señora de Piat. The basilica has a simple facade flanked to the left by a tall belfry. It is located on top of a hill to avoid brought about by the seasonal overflowing of the Chico River.
Dugayong Bridge or Tatena Bridge in Piat Cagayan is a vital infrastructure that connects rural areas, facilitating travel and transportation for locals and visitors. The bridge enhances accessibility to essential services, markets, attractions, promoting economic growth and development. By linking communities, it also fosters social connections and improves the overall quality of life for residents.
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasot lang dagat. At ang bayan niyang pinili, nasa dulo ng bahaghari. Kaya't 1,000 kulay nangaakit kumakaway. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kasayahang di mapatid, ramdam sa bawat awit. Sa masisiglang indak, mga puso'y lumilipad. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulo ang kwintas ng perlas. Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas. At ang ngiti ng may kaba,